Hi everyone, my name is Rebecca Carvalho and I am the new GLIME campus rep at Peru State College in Nebraska. Today I want to show you what I just received in my GLIME box. First I will start with the t-shirts. You will receive 4 t-shirts. One of them is just for the rep and the other 3 you can give them away or keep them for yourself. Okay. This one you can give it away or keep it. Don't forget that we should take pictures and post them on social media to get some points and get a reward. Okay, and this one is the one that is just for the reps. Okay, now let's talk about all the swag. You will receive a bottle. These bottles are very good when you want to take coffee to school and drink it during class, or like cold beverage. Also, you will receive color changing cups, sticky notes, pens, 1 pop socket, bag. These bags are very useful to go to the grocery store or taking just general things in your car and keep them there. They're very useful. And then a mask. I love this mask. It's super comfy. This doesn't bother my ears at all, and it covers my whole face. I can breathe. Like, it's super good. It's really good. Okay. Right. We also have some of these cards and the bolsters. So now let's talk about the flyers. There's some flyers that you will give to your teachers, and there's some others that you will give to your accounting fellows. Okay, so this one is for your teacher. You're going to give this to your teacher, and the teachers are going to download a PDF about the EA and how to give some orientation to their students about it. Okay, this one is again for your teachers. This one will explain the CPA and CMA exam and even schedule to be able to take some part of the CPA and CMA exam before graduation. Okay, this one is the top 10 accounting programs. This will guide the teachers about the resources that GLIME has for them. Okay, and then this one is also for your teacher. Okay, all right. Now the ones that you are going to give to your classmates or your fellow accounting. Okay, so this one talks about the EA, and if anyone is interested in buying the premium core guide, they have a 20% discount with this flyer. Okay, And let's see, so this one is the same. This one is for the CIA exam. All these free guides will take you or take the student to a PD, to a website to download the PDF. Okay, this one is the CMA. This one is for the CPA exam. This one is basically the same flyer that we have for the teachers, but this one is for the students. Okay, same. There is a schedule that they can take a look at and see if they can take advantage of taking the CPA and CMA exam before graduation, at least some parts of it. Then this flyer will introduce the students that are new into the accounting program to know more about the careers and the accounting opportunities. And let's see, this one is for the CIA. If anyone is interested in buying the premium review program, they can do so, and they will have a 20% discount with the flyers. Right, guys, so this is the end of the video. This is everything there was in my box. Bye bye.